What is it?
That is a new YOKOMO YZ-2 DTM3.1.
And I heard you drove this.
I did. So myself and Simon Healy, our 1/10 off-road guru, helped me put that together on the show. So stay tuned for those. They'll be getting released soon, won't they, Beach?
Yep.
We've got to get some more episodes out.
Yeah, they'll be happening next week.
Yeah, so that was its maiden voyage, and we run that versus the old Cal 3 that I've got here, although I didn't have time. That's obviously the new body. I didn't get a chance to paint up. So that's the old Cal 3. I wanted to do back-to-back testing. So the old car versus the new, and hot race versus sweep.
Yep.
And yeah, a lot of things were learned. I had a blast, and it was just a good session. So if you actually have a look under the hood there on that one, rip it off, mate. Rip the Velcro off.
Say rip it in half.
Well, don't do that. But you can see we've got ORCA. We've got ORCA motor in there. I've got an ORCA fan.
That's a nice servo.
That's a really nice servo, isn't it? We're going to talk servos too if we get the chance. So here we have an ORCA OE1 because it's running down to, it's currently got a 7.5 turn motor fitted in it.
Nice.
It's two-wheel drive modified. It's got a ORCA Mod-Stream motor, ORCA Insane 2 40mm fan, and it's got the fan holder as well. So it's fully fitted out with ORCA gear. But yeah, this is the new DTM 3.1 out on its maiden voyage, and that was super cool. It was really impressive. And even like with the kit setup, it's still got the kit springs and everything YOKOMO on it. And was faster and nicer to drive than the outgoing Cal 3. So
This is nice.
that was really cool. For those of you that might know, it's also been fitted with a 10PX. So it's got the R404 receiver. And it's got another little trinket in there that Futaba Australia sent me, and that is the temperature sensor.
Oh, cool.
And I think I showed that on last week's show. But however, yeah, it's actually been utilized, and it was so handy. It was really, really good.
Oh, so it was talking to you, wasn't it?
Yeah, it talks to you every 30 seconds. She tells you how hot your motor is.
Really?
Yeah.
She's going to talk now?
She can talk now if you turn it on, mate. Just the power button here.
Oh wow. It's like a spaceship sometimes.
A little bit, isn't it?
Beautiful.
So we can see up here we've got the telemetry is actually off at the moment, but if I go and fire it up, it'll say the temperature. Unfortunately, I've got lots of fans in there to keep it all cool.
Okay, so this is the temperature showing there.
21 degrees.
Yep.
And if it wasn't for the fans, you could hear her talk.
Oh, well, I'm going to always carry the buggy away.
Yeah. So every 30
Yeah,
seconds,
like that.
every 30 seconds, she answers, drive it away, babe. Oh, not too far.
Oh, sorry.
So yeah, so that is the DTM 3.1. That's the 10PX,
God, that servo's fast.
isn't it? That is the MKS 575. That wasn't fresh for that build. That was something that's come out of another car because they last for years. So, but I mean, the amount
Quick
that I
reacting,
use
isn't
them,
it?
they're the fastest on the market without a doubt.
Well, especially
You know what I
when
mean?
you're running in modified too, right? You want it to react when you need it to.
Mate, I'm old. It's better than me. Let's be honest. What are you listening for her? She went.
Yeah. Did you say anything?
Yeah, I think she did.
Oh, she was shy.
That's like a quiet.
What do you mean? It's really quiet.
It's not that quiet.
I haven't heard her yet. Where is she?
Every 30 seconds.
Is she on a break?
Maybe.
She's having tea,
It's not really riveting TV.
isn't it?
No, that is the 10PX.
Okay.
I'm going to do an episode this week where I fit a carbon protector for it.
Yep.
And a lanyard. Futaba Australia sent me some goodies.
Oh,
So
cool.
some safety things.
Yes. Okay.
So the carbon handle
Yep.
is more like if you drop it or to protect the screen.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
And the nice Futaba lanyard. So you've
Yep.
got it around your neck. So you've got no chance really of
Dropping it.
hopefully dropping off the driver's stand, or if you go to slip or something. I've seen it happen before. People
Yeah.
slip over and
Yeah.
drop their transmitter.
Oh. Yeah, they can be
So
painful.
yeah, you want to look after these things. But the
Yeah.
10PX, that was the first time I actually had it on track, this one, because the other one was the prototype that got sent back to Futaba.
It was good, isn't it?
It feels really good. And just be careful because the car is still on, sitting over there.
So don't slam the throttle.
No, don't
Why not?
slam the throttle. But if you turn that power switch off, it shuts the car down anyway.